efo'r Meirionnydd in Wales have a wealth of riches in the seas surrounding us.
But sadly, our communities don't see the benefit of those riches. The Welsh Government has a role to lead and invest in that sector, that historically important sector, the fishing sector out in the sea. But we have currently seen no investment within that sector from the Welsh Government. The Plaid Cymru Government would lead on that and ensure that not only does that sector continue but thrives under a Plaid Cymru Government.